welcome back. So we are on the way to area called Batangas. The major plan is to do some hiking tomorrow, and today, who knows what we're gonna see on the way. Let's do some exploration. So here's the entry to the highway. It looks pretty similar to the Japanese one. It's also called ETC.
Talaga? Pinagkakait.
So you had to manually scan the card?
Yes. They cannot scan my RFID in the windshield, that's why. So every time I use it manually.
Just passing by the financial district, looks like, very center of Manila. So we got already outside of the Manila. Unfortunately, it looks like it was raining in this area. Up tomorrow, it won't be any rain here. Oh, the machete?
Yes, machete, sir.
But we cannot take this to the airplane. If we go to Japan, we cannot take this to the airplane. But nice, very nice. How much you said this for? 9,000?
No, 550 only.
550? Yeah, it's beautiful, but we cannot take this to the luggage. So we come here to buy the fruits, and because it's raining, I'm gonna use this one. So the sound might be actually not so great. What is that yellow here?
That is santol. Santol, very sweet. Very sweet.
Nakilala ko si Mama.
Nakating ako doon, sabi ko, saan ba yun? Sino kasama? Ha? Okay naman yung binigay ko.
Oh, nice fruits. Kasi people.
Yung lindot kami, di ba?
Okay. I eat with the skin.
Ayan, bago sa amin, Ma'am.
This is Chico. This is Lantone.
Lantone.
Very sweet also.
Yung sarap din yun.
Okay, try that.
Guimaras, from Guimaras.
What is that mango? Yeah.
Do you like
This one better.
Ayaw mas
This one.
Ah, this one. That's the javelin. We cook this. We use for This is a fruit market here in Tagaytay, and this is my favorite store. She giving a lot of service, a free taste. And this is the mango guyabano, the mango, the dragon fruit, and santol. And do you like santol? How does it taste, Mama? Chico. This is the Chico. This is also sweet Chico. It's a native fruits here in Philippines. And mangosteen, banana, and this is my favorite banana. Where is that? The jackfruit. Ah, this is my favorite kind of
Ito local
banana.
fruits to, duhat. Ito, local
Duhat.
fruits, duhat.
This is also a local fruits. Duhat.
But, ano ba sa
What is
English
this in English?
Hindi naman plum yan eh, no?
Not plum.
It's not plum.
It's a bittersweet taste. This is a
Guava.
guava.
Pineapple.
We got a free pineapple because we bought a lot of fruits. How much all? 660. Bakasyonista lang. Pero sila kuya, pag pupunta dito. Thank you so much. Thank you for the free pineapple. Next time ulit.
Just doing a brief stop on the way. Active volcano over there, you can see.
We are now here on the top of the park of Tagaytay City.
It's
Yeah.
actually real mountain, and the
Yeah,
park is on the top of it.
yeah. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
My brothers recommended.
So we come here.
Yeah.
So it's like we have a little training before tomorrow proper hike.
Then let's go there up,
Oh, okay.
up there.
Manila was pretty hectic actually with the traffic and everything, but here is already countryside, so much better.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's pretty good actually.
Yeah, a nice view.
So the volcano is there, the active volcano.
Yeah, active
Taal.
the Taal volcano.
It's a little cloudy, but we can still see it. come to this beautiful place. The view. That's big. Oh, yeah. I have to say the view is really spectacular. So there's a huge lake, and in the middle of it there's active volcano. So apparently we're going to sit in one of those cabins.
Bulalo.
Nice. So it looks great. What is this name of the dish?
Bulalo. Buko pandan. This is the watermelon for Shasha. Here's your watermelon. This is bulalo and garlic rice, lupiang Shanghai. The bulalo is their special menu here in Tagaytay, also in Batangas.
It's amazing. This is called bistec Tagalog. The food is really delicious. And the location completes the whole thing, the whole experience. Hey Sasha, how are you? Good morning.
Ito tapa.
So we have a breakfast.
Yes.
How's the sleeping? Good?
Yeah.
So you're having beef, babe?
Yeah.
You have beef?
This is pata,
Tapa.
and
Chicken. And there's a fish.
Yes.
And also chicken. Okay. And coffee. And we are having this beautiful view over the volcano. Coconuts on the palms. It's a huge caldera around the top of, as you can see, which is become lake. It's just before 7 a.m. We can quick breakfast in about 30 minutes drive to the starting point for our today's hike. Very excited. First hike in Philippines. Leah is also waiting. Our Neko friend. Hey! He came yesterday. Yeah. He loves to be in pet though. He keep coming to me. Yeah, he's preparing already, putting socks on in the car.
I'm excited to go hike. First time in the Philippines.
Yeah, me too. So we are on the way to the beginning of the trail.